Hi everybody, I'm Ellie with T-sportline, and now that the Cybertruck has been out for 2 years, are you doing a DIY wrap or are you having it professionally installed? So it's been exactly 2 years since the Cybertruck was unveiled to the world, and the first few were delivered on stage at a very special event put on by Tesla. And T-sportline had the honor of wrapping the first Cybertruck in the world, and it was one of those few that were on stage. That day, when we received the Cybertruck, the excitement level was huge because the vehicle looked amazing in stainless steel, but this customer wanted it to be satin black, and we were super excited to go ahead and do that. Once we started taking the vehicle apart and understanding it, we realized that this is going to be the easiest vehicle to wrap as a DIY, do-it-yourself project. And before we even started wrapping it, we created templates so that we can go ahead and launch shortly after the world's first DIY program to wrap a Cybertruck. Fast forward, we've wrapped hundreds of trucks over the past 2 years, but more importantly, we have found that our DIY program has been hugely successful because you know what? It's very easy to wrap a Cybertruck, and also you may not have a shop in your area to go ahead and do it professionally. Now let's fast forward to 2025. It's December, and I just had a customer reach out to me and say, you know what, Ellie? I love your Cybertruck, the world's first triple gloss black monochromatic truck. I want one for myself. I want it to look just like yours, but I want to start off with the DIY program. And I'm like, absolutely. So he chose TMaxx Hyper Gloss Black, our #1 selling color. Yes, it's more popular than satin or matte black. And that's because this gloss black color lays up so beautiful, it looks better than paint, and it has truly been the #1 choice amongst Cybertruck owners. TMaxx is a wonderful brand to go ahead and choose for your color change PPF, clear or satin stealth clear. And the reason is the pricing is right. It has a 7-year warranty. If you add TMaxx ceramic coatings, it bumps it to a 10-year warranty. And most importantly, they have over 50 colors to choose from. Let's get back to this program that this customer came to us in Van Nuys. He picked up the DIY kit and he did it himself over a weekend with a relative. It was a fun experience. And then he came back to us and said, all right, now I'll let you professionally complete the process with our painted lower front bumper, wheel arches, side skirts, rear bumper. All those textured black plastic panels become beautiful gloss black for this amazing look. And of course, you have to finish it off with our 24-inch CT7 wheels. These are finished in satin black. He wanted just a little bit of a contrast. Could have gone gloss. Nothing wrong with satin black wheels on a beautiful gloss black Cybertruck. And to finish it all off, he was so happy and so proud to be a T-sportline customer, to do the DIY program. He asked us to create a T-sportline badge in the Cyber font to be applied on his rear quarter panel. He is driving around Los Angeles representing us, and we are so honored to have him as a client, as well as all of our other clients all over the world that have purchased our DIY Cybertruck PPF program. Thank you so much for watching. If you love our content, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, I've got some links below over here to our DIY program.